developing. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Leicester, or near Worcester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Pea-sized hail and winds in excess of 30 miles per hour will accompany this storm. Locations infected include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Milford, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Holden, Ashland, Bellingham, Auburn, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Oxford, Holliston, Bilberry, Charlton, and Medway. Get indoors when the storm approaches. Winds may be strong enough to produce minor damage. A few downed branches. The flood warning is now in effect until Saturday morning. The flood warning continues for the Charles River at Dover until Saturday morning. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 5.6 feet. Flood stage.
Yo, special weather statement.
Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity.
And a flood warning.
River stage in the 24 hours ending at 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday was 5.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to fall below flood stage early Saturday morning and continue falling to 4.9 Saturday morning. Along Cedar Street, as well as a portion of Route 190 and Medfield and Mills Town line. Some flooding is also likely on the South Natick and Wellesley Town line along River Street. Here are the 7 p.m. observations for the Boston